What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to combine the data from multiple cells in Excel into one cell. Spreadsheets grow and evolve a lot over the course of their life. If you find yourself in a situation where you've got a spreadsheet that's jam-packed with data and you suddenly need to combine data from two or more cells into a single cell, don't panic. Microsoft makes it possible to merge data from different cells across your Excel spreadsheet into a single cell. However, as with most things Excel, it isn't super easy, and you may have to tweak the formula to get the specific formatting you're looking for. Now let's walk through the steps to combine data from multiple cells into one cell in Excel. Step 1. Navigate to the cell that you want to combine multiple cells into. You can see in this example, I've got individual words spread across cells A1 through D1 that I want to combine into a single cell. Step 2. Type equals concat followed by an open parenthesis into that cell. Step 3. Now, click the cell containing the first item you want to put in this cell, and then enter an ampersand sign after it. If you want to put a space between the items from the cells you're adding, you'll need to put quotation marks around a blank space where you want a space to be and an ampersand in front of each additional item. Additionally, you'll need to put a comma between the cell name and the quotation mark prior to any blank cells, so you can see the full formula on the screen and the result that gives you in E1, which is the combined cells with spaces in between them, that reads, "This is a test." Step 4. Alternatively, maybe you want a space between some of the cells you're combining, but not others. In that case, you'll want to enter the first cells you want to combine, entering an ampersand between them. When you get to the part where you want a space, enter a comma after the last cell in that list, followed by two quotation marks surrounding a blank space. After that, enter an ampersand and then cell name for any additional cells you want to add. So again, you can see the full formula on the screen and the result that gives you in E1, which is the combined cells with a space in between that reads, "This is a test." Step 5. And finally, if you want to just combine multiple cells with no spaces into a new cell, you can easily do that by entering the source cells followed by an ampersand in the order you want to combine them. So again, you can see the full formula on the screen to do that, followed by the resulting combined cells into one cell, which reads, "This is a test with no spaces." Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.